Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Happy upcoming Valentine's to everybody. Today I'm going to share with you some of my DIYs that I've promised earlier 2 videos back. And also I'm going to share with you my tablescape for the V-Day. Tablescape for 2 people. So as you can see here, I've used 2 of my items that I shared with you at one of my V-Day items related haul video. This one, the roses, if you remember, and this one, the red pearl string. I used the pearl string to decorate my V-Day branch as well as to decorate the V-Day gifts. Here, as you can see, the V-Day gifts. It's just simple boxes. You may put some V-Day gifts for your Valentine, let's say bracelet, necklace, and earrings. The ring box isn't here yet. So hopefully you will add the ring box on top. Then I've used my DIY-ed napkin holders for the V-Day. By the way, I have the video for how to make this type of napkin rings in one of my DIY videos. I'll put the link of that video below so you can check it out in case you want to make some of this. I also used all 70% of the sweets that I shared with you during my video. This one you haven't seen, it's just a chocolate with some alcoholic drink inside. Then my Ghirardelli, the heart sticks, the kisses that says it's party time, and the chocolates. And should warn you that this is not an advertisement. I'm just telling what I love, so sharing what I found during the New Year time. The red wine is called Armenia, from Armenia. It's blackberry wine, but they sell it in the US, as well as this champagne. It's called Sovetskaya Muskatna. It's the champagne of my childhood that I remember during our Christmas times. It's from Soviet Union times. Ex-Soviet Union child here. Also, I used some of my favorite plates, the milk glass plates that I shared with you a couple of years ago, telling where I found them. Yes, I found them at the swap meet and made another tablescape with these ones. By the way, if you want to learn how to make this napkin, it's very easy. You just open the napkin all the way, then you make a kind of an envelope shape, leave one out, then you may put your transparent plate on top, close the top part, and add another plate. This version of napkin holding is usually used with fabric napkins, but because I didn't have this color fabric, so I just used a regular colored napkin. Also, I used the scatters, of course, as you can see, all over the place. This DIY I shared a long time ago with you. This one is just a gift box that I cut in the shape of a heart. See here, the back. I'm going to cover the back with another white paper and write something to my Valentine. Let's say I may put, "Do you love me?" a question mark. This is the 5th DIY for today. As you can see, it's just a simple jar from jam or pickles. I don't even remember. What is it? I guess it's an olive jar. Maybe, yeah. I put just a simple candle inside, of course, LED lighted candle. Then this one is just a tassel remained from some of my projects. The foam hearts and balls that I had bought and showed to you in my haul video. So you're just making simple tassel jar for your Valentine and put a candle inside. During the evening time, it looks like this. And here is how it looks when it's dark. And most of the items, actually 90% of the items, are from Dollar Tree. The chargers, The transparent plate is from 99-cent store. All these chocolate containers are from Dollar Tree. The champagne glasses are from Dollar Tree. These glasses are gifts, the wine glasses. These ones are from Dollar Tree. They are candle holders, but I'm using for different types of decorations. These are from Dollar Tree, the candle and the candle holder. This one is a gift also, the mirror tray. The vase is also from Dollar Tree. The napkins are from the Dollar Tree. Fork and knife from IKEA. What else? Yeah, this one is, I guess, from TJ Maxx or maybe Burlington Coat Factory. I don't remember. The wine glass, but I'm using it as a candle holder. It's just a simple wine glass, but I like the colors on it, so it looks kind of very unique, so I got it. So these ones are from TJ Maxx, if I am not mistaken, from TJ Maxx. Yeah, a set of 2. It's like card slash photo holder, and I guess that's it, right? The jar is from pickles or from olives, as we figured out. Then what else? The branch, I had bought the branch from Dollar Tree for my New Year. It's just a Christmas tree branch that I got to decorate my Christmas tree for New Year, but I didn't, so I made a V-Day branch. Right, everything is already described and explained, so go ahead, dear friends, and make your own V-Day tablescape. By the way, the scatterers, I promised I'm going to do a DIY, but it will be for next year, not this year, because I may not manage to edit the video, so I don't want to give false promises, fake promises. I promise to do it for the next year because it's gonna take a while. I'm thinking of using some resin for that, so it means it will take a couple of days to record and edit that video. If you like my today's tablescape and some of the DIYs, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and comment which one you liked, as well as subscribe and click on the notification bell so you may learn when is my next video coming up with the DIYs. I'm going to show you some of the V-Day DIY gifts as well as V-Day decorations like this one. So thanks a lot for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, my friends.